Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing some modifications to my 2020 Yamaha MT07. I'm going to be doing a fender eliminator back here with the integrated taillight. So that'll get rid of all of this here and just have the taillight hanging out here. I already put on some front turn signals. You can see right here, instead of the big pumpkins, I'll try to get a picture for you of what it looked like before. But so far, I've just added on the front turn signals and some crash protection. I got this slider, I got these fork sliders up here, and I also got the rear spools as well, all installed from TST Industries. So other than that, I'm going to be doing the fender eliminator and the tail light today, like I said. And that's the plan for now. Alright guys, so I got the tail piece off, and I also got the tail light off. I got the fender and the tail light off, so now it's just time to install the new parts. Alright, so I got the fender on. Now I'm just having to go through, and if you can see that bolt right there, I gotta make all four of these like that, and the spot that they're in, it's pretty annoying. I pretty much have to use this ratcheting wrench, and it takes a couple minutes for each one, but just about done here with this, and then I'll be putting on the tail light. Alright, so it took a while, but I finally got all those bolts down on there, nice and secure. So time to get the tail light in now. Alright guys, and the install is finished. So this is what it looks like after. I'll try to put up a picture of what it looked like before. But here it is afterwards. Looking all good. Just got to put the license plate back on. And turn that on. License plate comes on. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. And that's about it. So I think that cleaned up the bike a whole heck of a lot more. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.